Hello children, welcome back to class 5 English classes. In our last class, we discussed tenses. There we completed two tenses, simple present tense and present continuous tense. I hope all of you must have understood it very clearly and you must have watched the video also. Now, what I plan today we will do the textual exercise of the lesson Freddy's Happy Nowruz, because there we have certain vocabulary exercises also and some grammatical exercises also. So all of you please open page number 22 of your textbook. The question answers I will send it through Campus Genie study material. So the exercises which are at the back of the textbook, we will discuss it now. Okay children? Page number 22, exercise 1. Choose the correct answers. Those who have read the lesson thoroughly, they know the answer correctly. I know. All of you must have read it, or many of you must have read it. Those who haven't read the lesson, please read it repeatedly. Okay children? On the day of Nowruz, Freddy was woken up by his who? Parents. What is the answer? Parents. Freddy's ancestors came from which place? Persia. C is the answer. Persia. The Aghari is a dash temple. Aghari is a fire temple. B is the answer. Dash is a sweet preparation with semolina, milk and egg. Which one? A. Ravo. Ravo is a sweet preparation with semolina, milk and egg. Dash falls on the spring equinox. What? Nowruz. What is the answer? Nowruz. So all of you please listen to it and fill it. Or if you know, those who have read the lesson thoroughly, as I told you earlier, they know the answers correctly. Now we move on to page number 24. All of you please open. There is a grammar exercise, conjunctions. Conjunctions are actually a very important part of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. You don't have to go into that detail, but conjunctions are very important for you. Conjunctions are those words which connect sometimes two nouns, sometimes two words, sometimes two phrases, sometimes two clauses, sometimes two sentences also we can say. So those words which connect two words or two phrases or two nouns, they are known as conjunctions. All of you please open page number 24 of your textbook. Not grammar text, textbook first. Then see, conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that connect two words, sometimes a group of words, or even two sentences also. There is an example. They went inside the Aghari and prayed to Ahura Mazda, the god of the Zoroastrians. So here two sentences are connected. Like what? They went inside the Aghari. And is a conjunction which join two clauses or two sentences we can say. Like what? They went inside the Aghari and prayed to Ahura Mazda. So there and is the conjunction. Now next one. It was Nowruz and a Saturday. There it connects to one clause and one word. It was Nowruz and a Saturday. And is the conjunction used there. Now conjunctions are of two types. What are they? Coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. It is there in your textbook. Now we will see what are coordinating conjunctions. First one is coordinating conjunctions. Now we will see what are coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction connects two words, group of words and sentences. It was not even unpredictable like the Deepavali or Holi, where or is a coordinating conjunction which connects sometimes two words, sometimes groups of words, and sometimes even sentences also. The conjunction or connects two different festivals, Deepavali and Holi. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. What are they? For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Use the acronym fanboys to remember them. Acronym means what, beta? See, take the first letter of each of these conjunctions and those letters are put together. It sounds like what? Fanboys. That is the usage of acronym. Acronym means what? Taking all the first letter and making a word. That is what is acronym. See, F from for, A from and, N from no, B from but, O from or, Y from yet, S from so. So if you remember fanboys, you will be able to understand which are the coordinating conjunctions. Fanboys, fanboys, fanboys. How? F for, A and, N nor, boys B for but, then O for or, Y for yet, S for so. These are coordinating conjunctions. Now next one is subordinating conjunctions. Number 2, subordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions, we found out the acronym. What is it? Fan boys. What are they? For, fan. Then and. Then nor. B but. O or. Y yet. Yes, so. That's why fan boys. First letter of, this is acronym, first letter of each conjunction put together, it is fanboys. That is coordinating conjunction. Now next is subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction connects two parts of a sentence together. So in coordinating conjunction we saw that coordinating conjunctions connect sometimes two words, sometimes a group of words also, sometimes even sentences also. Whereas subordinating conjunction connects two parts of a sentence together. See, since Freddy lived with his parents in Mumbai, they would go to his grandparents' house to celebrate Nowruz. See here, two parts of a sentence. What are they? Freddy lived with his parents in Mumbai. One part, we can say one clause. And they would go to his grandparents' house to celebrate Nowruz. That is another part of the sentence, or we can say another clause. These two clauses or these two parts of sentences are joined using the subordinate conjunction since. Okay, children? Since connects, since Freddy lived with his parents in Mumbai, to the other part of the sentence. What is that? They would go to his grandparents' house to celebrate Nowruz. Now next one. After the elaborate lunch with his cousins, Freddy forgot how grumpy he had been that morning. So here after is used to connect two parts of a sentence. After connects after the elaborate lunch with his cousins, that is connected to Freddy forgot how grumpy he had been that morning. So, what did you understand, children? Coordinating conjunctions connects sometimes two words. Okay? Sometimes two groups of words. Sometimes two sentences. Whereas subordinating conjunctions connect two parts of a sentence, or we can say two clauses within a sentence itself. What connects? Subordinating conjunction. Okay, children? This is a list of common subordinating conjunctions. While, as soon as, although, before, even, if, because, whether, whenever, when, until, after, as if, once, while, unless, in case, as far as, so that, though, since. These are all what? Subordinating conjunctions. Now next page. Choose the appropriate coordinating or subordinating conjunctions to complete these sentences. First one. Dash Sridevi learned how to swim. She did not know the word underwater. Which one you will use? Dash Sridevi learned how to swim. She did not know the word underwater. Which will be used there? If, yet, and, so, until. Which is the correct answer? Until Sridevi learned how to swim, she did not know the word underwater. So what is the answer? Until. Next one. Adil played the role of a tree. Dash the monkey in the play. The role of a tree and the monkey. There's a conjunction there. The role of a tree and the monkey. Now next one. Dash Sarika lived in Ooty. She could attend St. Joseph's School. What will be the conjunction there? If Sarika lived in Ooty. So what is the answer? If Sarika lived in Ooty, she could attend St. Joseph's School. All the lights were on. Dash Radha was scared to walk along the corridor. All the lights were on. Yet Radha was scared. What is the conjunction there? Yet. Yet Radha was scared to walk along the corridor. Frida baked cookies. Dash she was asked to conduct baking classes for the students. Frida baked cookies. So she was asked. What is the conjunction there? So she was asked to conduct baking classes for the students. So children, conjunction is this much only in your textbook, reading textbook. Now, all of you please open page number 72 of your grammar textbook. See, this is your grammar textbook and page number 72. Please open page number 72. There again, the same is told. What? Conjunctions. We will do that chapter of your grammar textbook now as a continuation of this grammar structure which we learned from the textbook. Conjunctions. Coordinating, subordinating and correlative. See. Read the following sentences. Preeti was late for the class as she missed her bus. As she missed her bus. Here as is a conjunction. I saw Amitabh Bachchan and Amir Khan on the set of the movie. Amitabh Bachchan and Amir Khan. And is the conjunction there. Bella had 2 sketch pens, but none of them were working. What is the conjunction there? But. See, you have learned about various conjunctions in the previous grades, means in your smaller classes. In the sentences above, and, as, and but are conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join words. We discussed it in the textbook. Words, phrases, groups of words, and even sentences. So here it is told that join words, phrases, or clauses to form a meaningful sentence. Some of the common conjunctions are and, but, so, before, because, when, as, while, yet, or, since, though. These are all some of the conjunctions. Now exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions from the table given. I was taking a walk in the evening. Dash, I saw Divya coming back from office. I was taking a walk in the evening. So what conjunction you will use there? When I saw Divya coming back from office. What was the time? I was taking a walk in the evening. When I saw Divya coming. What is the answer there? When. Now next one. We have 2 neem trees. Dash 4 banana plants in our garden. We have 2 neem trees and 4 banana plants. And 4 banana plants. Dash, it was snowing so heavily. All the roads were blocked. What will you use there? Dash, it was. As it was snowing so heavily. What is the conjunction there? As it was snowing very heavily. Now next one. Manish forgot his keys at home. Dash, he had to come all the way back. Manish forgot his keys at home, so he had to come. What is the answer? So, he had to come all the way back. The burglar ran away with the money. Dash, the alarm rang. The burglar ran away with the money when the alarm rang. The burglar ran away with the money or you can use there beta since also. Since is used in the meaning of because. So the burglar ran away with the money because the alarm rang. That is also correct. The burglar ran away with the money since the alarm rang. That is also correct. The burglar ran away with the money when the alarm rang. So there we can use as per the meaning, not only one conjunction. Okay children? Now we move on to the next page. Look at the following sentences. Most of the cats are active, but the black cat is very lazy. But is a conjunction. I tried to solve the problem many times, yet I could not find the solution. Yet. Abhishek switched off the lights and left the room. And. In these sentences, but, yet, and join 2 independent clauses or phrases. Such conjunctions are called coordinating conjunctions, which we saw in the beginning from our textbook. What are coordinating conjunctions? They join fanboys. Remember our fanboys. They connect 2 independent clauses or phrases. Coordinating conjunctions join 2 words or phrases of equal importance. They also join 2 independent clauses also. Look at the following table for various coordinating conjunctions, their functions and examples. Coordinating conjunction and. What is the function? Addition. And is used for addition. Rohit spoke in Bengali and Vinay spoke in Marathi. And. But is used for contrast. Sarah could not see Ben, but she could hear him. It is a contrast. But she could not see, but she could hear him. Or it is for alternative. Tell the truth or you will be punished. It is used in an alternative sense. Nor negative addition. Megha did not do her homework, nor did she read the textbook. It is used in a negative addition meaning. So, result or consequence. Rishi went home early, so he could get some sleep. Yet, used for contrast. She worked hard, yet she could not pass the examination. For reason. Are things he will do well in the exams. For means because, in the sense of because. He has worked very hard this year. So now, next exercise, page number 74. We will do it. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate coordinating conjunctions from the box. It was raining. Dash, the game got cancelled. It was raining, so the game got cancelled. So is so. Mary's birthday is in May. Dash, mine is in November. Mary's birthday is in May, but mine is in November. Or if you say Mary's birthday is in May and mine is in November, in both ways it is correct. I asked Seema if I could borrow her book. Dash, she did not lend it to me. I asked Seema if I could borrow her book, but she did not lend it to me. But the teacher explained the topics twice. Dash, we could not understand them. The teacher explained the topics twice. Yet we could not. Y-E-T. Yet we could not understand them. Do you like French fries? Dash, potato wedges. Do you like French fries or potato wedges? Sarah did not do her homework. Dash, did she read the textbook? Sarah did not do her homework, nor did she read the textbooks. Remy could not sleep well last night. Dash, she had to catch an early morning flight today. Remy could not sleep well last night. Why? Dash, she had to catch an early morning flight today. Why couldn't she sleep well? Because as she had to. Because as in the sense here what? But as is not given there. So what do we use? Remy could not sleep well last night. For is used as because. For she had to catch an early morning flight today. For here means what? Because. Remy could not sleep well last night, for she had to catch an early morning flight today. You have to use from the box here. Okay, children? So all of you, please listen to the class and do the work very carefully. We will continue the remaining exercises in the next class. All of you, please do the work. Study the grammar portion that day itself. Okay. Now I will give you an animated video of conjunctions in this class only. Okay, children, watch it very carefully.
Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases, or sentences. The words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so are called coordinating conjunctions. The mnemonic fanboys is an easy way to remember the names of the conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions always come between the words or phrases or clauses that they join. For is used like because. It presents reason. For example, we took out the umbrellas from the loft for it is rainy season now. And is used to show addition. It presents ideas that are similar. For example, my brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. Nor is used to say not. It presents a negative idea with another or joins two sentences having the adverb not. For example, my father does not get angry at me, nor does my mother, but shows a contrast, presents ideas that are opposite. For example, we went to the theatre, but we could not get tickets for the movie. Or shows an option, presents an alternative idea or choice. For example, be there on time or you will miss the bus. Yet presents an outcome or contrast. For example, I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him with his project. So presents a consequence or a result. For example, I had not done my homework, so I apologized to my teacher.
So students, welcome back to our class. You must have watched the video. Was it interesting for you? I hope all of you must have enjoyed it and understood the usage of conjunctions, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So all of you please listen to the class and study thoroughly. Okay children? Thank you.